Hello darlings, today I'm going to share with you some of the best supplements uh, that you can use before you go work out in the gym and after you finish your workout in the gym. And we are going to start here with this amino acid, this L-carnitine. It's a liquid amino acid that is good for your overall health. And I take all the supplements. In this one, when you wake up in the morning, before you eat anything, you will take this one, and this will be good for your overall health and help with your muscles. And this you can find at Amazon. And here we are going to talk about the protein, and this is the best protein that you can get, and this is your pre-workout, before your workout. In this here we have this from GNC, and there's 100% egg protein, and this is lactose free and gluten free, and this is also vanilla flavored if you like flavors. And this is also another type of protein that you can get it from Amazon, and this one is one of my favorites, and this is made from egg white, no artificial ingredients, no sugar added, no gluten, no soy. And right here there is another one that is pre-workout, before your workout. It's called aminoline, and is good for your energy and to help you maintain your weight. And how you do this is like I mentioned here. Before you eat anything, you take a spoon of this amino acids, and then you go ahead and you mix a cup of almond milk with a scoop of the egg protein, either or, and a scoop of aminoline, and you blend and you drink, and this is all what you need before your workout. And here we are coming to the BCAA. There is a post-workout supplement, and we have the flavored and the unflavored. I prefer the unflavored. If you like flavored, you can mix this in a bottle of water, a scoop of this, shake and drink after your workout. Or if you're like me, you don't like the flavored, you can use this, you can use your Bai. And the Bai is an antioxidant drink. There is 1 gram of sugar and 5 calories. You put a scoop of the BCAA, that is an amino acid that helps your muscle rebuild themselves after a workout. And shake it and drink it, and you are set. You had the pre and the post. And I also recommend collagen with peptides. Collagen is good for anti-aging, for help with weight loss. It's good for your gut health, and it's also good for your bones and joints. Excellent. Another thing that is very important is the water that you drink. I drink alkaline water, and this is a 8.8 pH. You know that the pH of the water is good if it is above 7.5%. So this have all the minerals, and is from Himalaya, and you can find this at Walmart. And here is another thing that I use is the Quest bars, and this one is specific is the coconut and cashew, and this can replace a meal. If you like to, if you don't want to have a lunch, you can eat one of these bars, and this will be your lunch. This is also has 20 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar, and only 4 carbohydrates. So it's very low and will not cause you to gain weight or interfere in your treatment. So most of this you can get at Amazon, GNC, Amazon.com, Amazon, GNC, Sam's or Costco for the buy, And for the collagen is Amazon.com. In the water, it's Walmart. And the bars are GNC. So you can find this easily. And the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my drink before I go to the gym, and then later on prepare what do I drink when I come back from the gym. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please click on my picture and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a like, and don't forget to click on the bell and activate the bell so you can get all my videos. And if you have any question about any of these products, please leave a question underneath the video and I'll be glad to answer. Thank you so much for watching my videos. A big kiss on your heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.